Hi there, Chris here. It is package day. I have this wonderful package from the Southampton Lock Picking Club. I have already cut the side, but I haven't got into it. I used my nice knife, and I might have to use it some more, but I did get the first part done. So let's see what they sent me. If I can get in here. Okay. Don't need that. Wow, this is well packaged. There's one. Oh my goodness. Oh, see? All right, a sticker. I love the stickers. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Southampton Lock Picking Club. All right, that's gonna go on my ice. Wow, and the official, this is great. I don't need to go any further. The Southampton Lock Picking Club key fob. Wow, you guys are official. All right. All right, I think we can dispense with this part. Now, just so you see, this is how they package. Ain't nothing getting out of here. Nothing. These guys know what they're doing. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a Ruko, like protected shackle. I'm not even sure what the right term is about this, for this. That's probably the wrong key, or maybe it's just a key that fits this blank. We'll see. Beautiful, thank you guys. Can't believe it, how generous you guys are. Then we have another one. Oh my God, beautiful. The Ruko 2, and this is a Ruko 2. And there's the clock. And these are heavy locks. These are amazing. Oh, these are big bad boys. Ruko 2. This is the key. God, look at that beautiful key. This beautiful lock. Ooh. Oh my goodness. All right, let's look at these guys. Now, let's see. Does this fit this one? Maybe not. Maybe it fits this one. Or let's try both keys. Oh, it turns to the left. How about that? God, that's great. My goodness. And I guess this one doesn't have a key, which is fine with me. God, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys rock. I don't know what to say. Your generosity is amazing. Anyway, your package, which I sent a little bit, I think that the following day, the day after you sent me an email that these were on their way, I sent you guys a package. So, man, I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a beautiful, wonderful package day. I can't wait to get some pics in here. Anyway, that's what I have for you. Hit the like button, make a comment, and we will see you next time.